Hi folks, Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. We got a open range light out here. Our topic today is rodent damage. This particular unit had squirrels that got up in the unit, chewed up through your underbelly. And we're going to take a look here in this front compartment. We've already, technician is in process, has already started. He's repaired a bunch of wiring already. Squirrel has gotten in through the underbelly, chewed a hole, but they don't necessarily even need to have a hole. Just if it's pulled down a little bit, they can get up in there, the tight spaces. But this particular unit, they got into the underbelly, got up into the storage compartment, and then they have moved their way through the wall up to the front cap. So you see we have the front cap taken off. He's already repaired a bunch of wiring for the swing techs on the slide systems. I'm gonna try to get a peek back in here. See if I can. Well, and here you can see there's a couple walnuts back in here from the squirrels. So they've gotten all up through here and took out all kinds of wiring, got up in to the roof. So we are going to be putting a new roof on this as well, repairing all the wiring underneath, replacing underbelly material, insulation. So folks, just get out there, just take a visual look around, make sure you don't see anything that rodents have infiltrated your camper. Because once they get in, I mean, it doesn't take them long, they will do a ton of damage. We're going to walk around to the back of the unit, just kind of get a view, side view of the underbelly that the technician has already got pulled down. And he's cleaned up. You can see a walnut over there laying, but he's cleaned up a lot of it. But obviously you can see he's in process of repairing, tracing wires, see what all has been affected. He had to drop the main propane line to this unit. Let's go to the other side, see, like right here, they have gnawed that wire there. Kind of hard to see being up under the unit. We took a look inside. I didn't really see any damage to the wall panels or anything of that nature. It's pretty much electrical, and then they did get up into the ducting of the ceiling. So we are having to replace the roof on this, possibly insulation, ceiling panels. Very expensive to do a roof alone, but when you're talking wiring, underbelly, and rewiring everything on this, folks, get out there, just especially if you're a permanent site at a campground, just get out there, try to look up under it a few times a season just to make sure you're not seeing any damage. Get in your unit, look around, as it can be avoided. There is deterrence. You can buy repellent to put down around your unit, inside your unit, especially in your compartments, to deter them. But anyways, that was our topic for today. Thank you very much.